Abakahle mkhonto.
Somizi has gone back to Paris to break the spiritual tie he made with Mohali back in 2018. Hey fam, compliments of the new year. You will remember back in 2018, Somizi took Mohali on a romantic getaway to Paris where he proposed to him, and they also did the iconic love vlogs, right? Now he's back there to close that chapter of his life. Do take a look and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Yila esamshiya khona sizomlanda asambe ngalihlahla seba asuswa lana ngoba kwakunama Olympic wayela hello hey hi ek is goed ja MJ thank you good to see you too. Bangiphazamisa manje ama friends eParis. Hawu. Asibone ukuthi sesifikile yini la. Hawu yeyeni. Hawu. Akusikhona kusamathuna khona lana. Asambeni. Hawu sebabasusa. Sasikhona ngala. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi sasingapha. Samshiya ngapha. Hawu ikhona impela. Hawu yeyeni. Ikhona impela. Sesifikile ekhaya lakho sizokulanda woza asambe sokubeka ekhaya lakho lokugcina. Hawu sijabulile ukukuthola sibonge. Hawu siyolala ngoxolo. Hawu hamba kahle mkhonto wesizwe thina bafana bomkhonto sizimisele ukuwabulala wona lamabhunu thina labafana bomkhonto sizimisele ukuwabulala.